Hey guys, it's VertiBlocks Gaming, and today we're doing of how to do the camping cops Easter egg. See if it still works. I've been hearing from a bunch of YouTubers that quote unquote they patched a glitch, even though it's not a glitch. But let's see, it's in the top of this jewelry store, so let's go check it out.
Is it the floating one?
Ow!
Is it the floating glitch?
No, it's the camping one. The camping cop Easter egg they think is a glitch, even though it's not.
Oh.
For some reason, only one camera in the whole entire jewelry store actually damages me. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a like on the video. So now, let's get into this. Ow, that hurt.
The speed glitch that I use.
It's
I
not a...
usually run through and all the lasers, and it's not beautiful for me.
Wait, did they actually just change it again?
I think so.
No, I think they actually... No, because they didn't update today, so why is it not working?
If it updates, then...
They didn't update today at all. So they couldn't have patched it. Dude, they couldn't have patched it because just yesterday people found it. Hold on, guys. Technical difficulties. Be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. We have to quickly get in this jewelry store. People have been going the wrong thing in these jewelry stores, so let's show you how to get through it. Dude, you want me to go get music?
Wait, stop the car. I want to try something. Okay, that's good. I thought the glitch was on, but I run really quickly. It's locked again, jeez.
Get in! Get in! Get the flip in! Run for your flippin' life!
I'm dead. Sorry, I'm dead.
No!
You got me.
I'm gonna get away. Where are you? Did you die or did you get arrested?
Yeah, he shot me to death. I'm not using speed hacks, no like.
Dude, remember I'm videoing.
You don't care anymore.
Is it open? Okay, dude, I'm hooking you up, okay?
Okay, so
Where are you? Dude, are you using the... Are you glitched or no? Dude, do you have the glitch or no? Jewelry won't open till this rain flipping stops. But dude, are you glitched out like the Speedwise?
oh, dude, I'm not. Don't let me use it.
Meet me by exploding wall. Oh, is that you? No, that's not you. Are you by the exploding... Dude, are you by the exploding wall?
Yeah.
Come out there. Oh, I see you.
3, 2, 1.
Get in. We have to get to the jewelry store fast.
Go. We get the AK again because I died and stuff. Which is annoying. How much rocket fuel do you have?
Zilch, basically. You know you get 30 free rocket fuel a day, right? Just save up till you have a full tank. Go. Just tell me when you come back out. I'm just checking my gas. Rocket fuel. Yeah.
You're getting more rocket fuel?
No, you get 30 a day.
You locked it over there.
You just got in. I didn't lock it when you just came over there.
What does the car randomly lock all the time?
Here, you want me to leave? Because then cops can get in their car if one of us gets ejected and the other one gets back in. And then cops eject you and then just steal your vehicle, drive away, and then arrest you. It's really annoying. Please be What the flip is wrong with this Bugatti today? Why is this not open?
It's open.
It's not open. Tis not open. Oh, go! No. Think that's yep, that's a criminal. Just saw police on the minimap.
No, dude, I think it's a police.
Yeah, that's a police. I just saw that it was a police. It's not a criminal, I said.
Oh.
Go! Go! Let's go! Get in! Oh! Okay, dude. I'm just gonna get 1,000 and go up there right now. I'll meet you up there.
Dude, I'm already half health. I still got this.
Yeah, but remember these lights don't hurt me? That's why I'm going up right now. It's so weird how they don't flippin' hurt me. Yeah, none of them are hurting me, but what the flip? Ow, the lasers hurt me still, though. That hurt. Just got myself down to like 3/4 health.
What is the color to red?
Okay, so you go over to this side and you shoot. Wait.
It's really painful with lasers. I'm dead.
Dude, it works!
Can you put on screen share? I'm dead, dude. I can't see anything.
Yeah, here. Put on screen share. There you go. Dude, look at the ground. How do I flip and pick it up? Okay, looks like this is one of the police dropped this token. So let's.
What did I say on the screen, dude?
It looks like one of these police dropped some of these coins.
Dude, I'm at the volcano where the police hide out with.
Okay, coming.
I'm going to, just going over the bridge.
I'm literally just parachuting. It's so weird if you crawl even once.
Hola.
If you crawl once in midair while you're parachuting, it makes it look like the parachute's not on you anymore. It's the weirdest thing.
Dude, I did that one more rocket from yesterday because there was this creature that was like so weird.
Okay, I need a motorcycle spawn in over here so I can get over to the camping cops before this. No, please, train, don't come out. Train, please don't come out yet. I need to talk to the cops before this train gets out here. And I have to rob the train. Okay, get in this motorcycle.
Wait, but I just saw a black SUV. I don't know if that's me. I know it's not me. There's a police driver in there. There's like 4 police drivers, gee. I need to hide here.
Hey, dude, getting out?
Oh, police, no, get me out,
But, dude, they, what? Did they change police? They made it so that the police aren't interactive anymore. You only can do the bag part. That's not fair. How is that any fair? Why the flip did they take that out? It was meant to stay in. They even said that there was. Asimo tweeted that he put out this Easter egg himself, and now he also, Asimo got banned from Twitter because he apparently got spammed on his thing. You know what? I'm gonna see if he just erased that step from the process. I'm gonna go over to the train next.
Dude, oh, you're at the train.
I'm over at this train spawn. I'm right near the volcano, the train spawn. They're over there. I'm waiting for it to spawn in.
Oh, no.
This is so stupid how he took that out.
No. Dude, I'm arrested.
Again? How did you get arrested this time?
Dude, they're literally camping like in the city, so I don't like.
Don't go in the city, I said, by the other train. By the train near the volcano. Is this train gonna spawn in?
It spawns at like.
Oh, here it comes. Okay, let's get over here. Go, 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 go.
So would you like to come back to the...
In a second, I have to check if this thing works. Go, go, go. Get there before the train. This train's catching up to me. What the flip? Icon? Okay. That's so stupid, guys. They took it out of the game. Okay, guys, that's it for this episode. That's really It's really annoying. Let's go quickly check out that Canadian to see, because one of my friends told me that he posted out what happened to it. Okay. Let's see. Okay, loading. Okay. Reload this page. Okay, guys, so let's see if this thing finished loading yet. See you guys, and that's it for this.